Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the widgets in your dashboard of your monday.com account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to account, and after going to the account, we have to open the dashboard. So as you can see, for example, I'm going to open this dashboard. Has an option for the add widgets and also has an option for the add your first widget. So let's click on this. And now you have to choose that which type of widget you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this one, Betty, your progress at the glance. I'm going to add this one, and I'm going to click on the add widget. I'm going to add something like the chart as well. So let's click on the chart. So as you can see now the both widgets are added here. If you want to add a different one, you can also do that. For example, I want to also add the files gallery. So let's click on the files gallery. So as you can see now the files gallery is also added here. So in this way you can edit the different types of multiple widgets in your dashboard account. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. It's very easy to understand. You just need to click on the add widgets and you have to choose that. You can make the multiple 30, you can add the maximum 30 widgets in your dashboard. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.